get it out the box?
No.
Since you was up?
Well, if he needs my help, he'll ask.
Well, that's true.
If you need my help, Eric, just ask.
But sometimes those little styrofoam things, you kind of suction cuppy when you try to pull it out the box. He's stuck it all through it. Oh, I think he's gonna really get it though.
Yeah.
It's actually black. Yeah, that's the famous red.
Well,
Yeah,
it's still match the coffee pot. The coffee pot's black, right? It's still, black is black.
yeah. Microwave happened to be black instead of
No, the
red.
front is what should be red.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you
It
got
is
it
red
around,
in the front.
you gotta turn it around.
Yeah, that just seemed that way.
Yeah.
That whole thing, I thought the whole microwave part was
No,
red.
just the front,
No,
cause look at the picture on the box.
Yeah.
It just has
See,
the
that
front.
was, yes, I didn't see the top part when one red.
Well, that thing barely fits on there, don't it?
It's on the perfect, actually.
That's one nice microwave.
Yes, it is. Can you turn it around?
Yeah,
Mama
so we can see.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Still getting
just
a
get
little.
Oh, he's still
stuff.
getting the
Yeah.
stuff. All right.
We're trying to be patient.
Yeah, we're
Listen
trying
to
to
us, bossy pants over here. Mama, wait.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, I do now, yeah. But still, there's the light you can. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
I like it.
Well,
Has the turntable in it, doesn't it?
yeah.
It came packaged separately
Oh, okay,
on the
good.
top.
Yeah, it's got that little ring in the
Yeah.
plate.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that part.
I'm
Yeah.
like, wait a minute, I don't see no
Yeah.
glass thing.
Yeah.
Normally, but they usually package them like.
Show her the lid there so she can see the holes that they was packed in. See
Oh, I
the-
did when he put them in
Yeah, see the
there.
lid
Yeah,
there? Yeah. see
Yeah,
they
that's
packed those
how it
holes,
was
yeah.
packaged.
Yeah.
gotcha. Awesome. And that's about the same size as the one
Yeah,
outside,
this
right?
one's a 900 watt one,
And that
like
one
the
is
other
the
one.
same
I
as
think it was
well.
1100 maybe.
No, that one
Was
was
it
9.
Okay.
But the wattage might be the same, but the
Yeah.
cubic inch of it
Yeah.
might not.
Yeah.
That one
Well,
might be a little smaller, but
it
as long
don't
as you
matter.
can fit a plate in it,
Yeah.
that's all that matters. We don't cook in it or anything.
No, we didn't want it.
Yeah. But it should fit a normal plate.
That's about the
That's the
size of
size.
a plate.
Yeah, it's about the size of the one we just put outside.
Right, Davison, you checking it out?
There you go. Little bit of
And
assembly.
then put the coffee pot there.
Yeah.
That's gonna be so pretty.
Get the buzz right, Davison? You get him? Good boy. Good bug. And it wasn't one of them bugs, it was like one of them crane flies.
Well, we have little gnats to save cans too.
Yeah, it wasn't a roach, it was like one of those flies back
Can
there.
you help?
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah.
Because it is kind of
Like I did with the microwave?
Because it is kind of stuck down in the box. There you go.
There it goes.
This time I tried it to drop.
Right. Oh my God, don't drop
Yeah,
all
that's
the
how we
coffee
had
in
to
there.
make sure.
I'm gonna get no coffee in the morning.
Oh
Last
my
night.
God. You might as well take your ass back to the San Jacinto Monument.
Will you put
What's
that
that?
on the little table?
What's that white thing behind the thing?
That's just so the pot don't,
Oh, okay.
yeah. But just set it on that little
Yeah,
table.
still getting
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm still getting the stuff.
That's fine. You see how that matches? Is that not
Yeah,
pretty?
that's how I put it.
I mean, it matches identical.
Y'all did great.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a side loader.
Yeah, the
So,
whole
so
top.
it doesn't open up from the front, it opens up from the side.
Right.
Remember that?
It doesn't, it has a filter thing in there, let me see.
Well, it's got a basket.
Some have a filter where you don't need to buy filters
Yeah,
anymore.
this one don't say the other guy, but yeah, 'cause you have to put a
Put a filter in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it can be taken out, yes?
Yeah.
Can you
We
figure
just
it out?
gotta, yeah, we just gotta figure out how to take it out.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's how I
Okay.
was trying to see how
Yeah,
it came out. Just gotta swing that little.
isn't that
You
pretty?
gotta, okay, so there's like a little lock mechanism where you
Yeah,
turn it and
Oh.
stay it in.
Sweet.
Yeah, just
Alright.
gotta turn and then you can pull your filter
Alright.
piece out.
Sweet.
Cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Those are gonna look nice in there, Eric.
Yeah,
They really are.
that's why I bought them.
Mm.
Yeah.